Hi guys, so in this tutorial, I want to show you how you can design your product page with Gempages and a supplier app. Right, so if you don't know, a supplier app is, let me say, a drop shipping supplier app. So if you want to have like a Shopify website, but you don't want to keep inventory of product, you want to have a third-party supplier, have those product and then deliver those product directly to your customers. If you don't already know what that method is called, of course, it's called drop shipping, right? So yeah, that's what I want to show you, how you can set up your product page such that you're using products from a third-party supplier, product listing from a third-party supplier, and then the product page looks beautifully designed such that someone who visits your site will see reasons to want to purchase from it. All right, so that's what we're doing in this particular tutorial, and I'm going to be using Zendrop and Gempages. So let's go right into it. So over here on my Shopify dashboard, I'm going to be clicking on online store. And when I click on online store, okay, let me navigate down. Okay, let's click on apps first. So when I click on apps, that's these apps over here. Let's just go and search for Zendrop. Zendrop. Now, something to note is that Zendrop isn't the only Shopify dropshipping app, right? There is a number of them, and on this tutorial, on the description, I'll leave a link to other dropshipping apps. I could also leave a link to an article we wrote where we reviewed each of these dropshipping apps. But let's go ahead and test this out with Zendrop. All right, so we click on Zendrop and then we click on Add App. And we just wait for this to load. All right, so we just scroll down and we click on Install App. So over here, I'm going to create a password and then my preferred contact method. All right, then I'll click on sign up. Again, on the description of this tutorial, I'll be leaving a link to Zendrop so you can sign up for Zendrop before even installing it from the app. Zendrop does have a pro plan, I should mention this, and it has a free plan, right? If you use the link that will be provided in the description and then you sign up for the pro plan, the site would get a little commission at no extra cost to you. So of course, you know, fulfils.com is a site that publishes free courses and free tutorials that teaches e-commerce and have a forum community where you could learn e-commerce and ask your questions and get answers. So if you've always wanted to support the site, it's a good way to do that by just using our affiliate links. Anyways, on Zendrop, other than the pro plan, there's also a free plan. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are just going to be using Zendrop's free plan. All right, so here we are on Zendrop, right? And we can see that there are different categories. This one is for products that are shipped from the US. That means if we're using products from this category, we'll be getting faster shipping time. Then under this category, this collection, we'll see more trendy products. Over here, we'll see tech product and pets product. And then you could see some of the products already listed here with their prices. And if you click on them, would get more information as to shipping time and all of that stuff. And okay, let me just show you something about Zendrop Pro, right? For Zendrop Pro, you'll get something called branding. This is what it is. It is private labeling. If you don't know what that is, it means when you order products, the supplier could send the product in packages that has your brand logo and graphic customized design to the packages. So it's called branding, right? So they would send your products with branded packages. You get this if you're using Zendrop Pro, and you also you'll be able to sell bundles and boxes and AliExpress imports. So these are the good things, and also get access to more trendy products. These are the good things about using Zendrop Pro. So we're just going to be using the free plan in this tutorial, but again, I said I'll leave a link to where you can subscribe for Zendrop Pro or free, anyone you want, and using that link gives the site a little commission. If you wanted to support the site, then that's a great way to do that. All right, cool. Let's go through this. Let me choose a product. So let's go to. So definitely before choosing a product, be sure to do your product research to make sure that you're choosing a product that has marketability. If you don't know how to do your product research, I would leave a link to an article where we talked about product research, or I could leave a link to a video where we demonstrated product research. So let's go through this one. Let's use this product. So we'll just say add to import list. I'm not saying use this product for your store. I'm just saying I would be, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating using this product. So this product has now been added to import list. I just added it to import list. I could add this one or any other product to import list. So the next thing, let me go to the import list. This is the import list here. So I click on import list, and then I can see, okay, and then I can see that over here on import list, I can see the product I just added to import list. So I'm just going to click import to store so that product can be imported to our Shopify store. Your product is being imported. You can see progress on the imported product. All right. So I think now it's already imported. So we've imported the product to store. So what we need to do is let's go back to our Shopify dashboard. Just so we have the home, let's go over to products and see if that was successfully imported, because I saw that notification. All right, here we can see that the product was successfully imported to our store. So what we can do is to edit if we want to edit this product. So let's just click on it. So once we click on it, we are at the product editors page. This is the name of the product, right? We can then edit the product if we want to. This is the description of the product. We can edit the description if we want to. And so we could just edit it to fit what we want to describe the product as, and and all of this. Let me introduce you to this tool. This interesting tool. It's called ChatGPT. You might already know this tool, but let me introduce you to it. It's a free tool. All right. So basically, now that tool we just listed on our Shopify is a massager. So we can just tell ChatGPT to describe a massaging tool. Good. Now it's already defining what a massaging tool is. And I'll read that quickly, fast. Okay, let me read that. A massaging tool is a device that is used to apply pressure or vibration to the muscles and other soft tissues of the body in order to promote relaxation and relief from pain. There are many different types of massaging tools and all of that. So what you can do is, if you find this description helpful, right, you could easily copy it. So let's go back to our Shopify. So in our Shopify store, this was the interface we were in. that's the massage gun, right? So what you could do here is you could edit this name if you want to give it something. Assuming your brand name is Maris, you may want to say, call it Maris Gun or whatever. You could edit it. Then under this description, you could also edit it to what you want. If you're very creative, you could form your own description. But if you wanted to get ideas, that's why I just showed you the ChatGPT tool. You could use it. You could ask the AI some questions, describe whatever it will be able to describe it, and you just copy and paste what you see there and paste it here. But just don't always copy and paste. Do it only if you're feeling lazy or you don't know the best description to give to something and you just want idea. ChatGPT is a good tool to get idea of how to describe stuff, right? So over here in the pictures, if you have your own pictures and you don't like the pictures here, you can upload your own product pictures and remove the words that you don't like. So just something to show you, something to note. So once you're satisfied with this stuff about the product, that is it. Now, the good thing is whenever you get an order from your store, let's go to Zendrop. Whenever you get an order from your store, the order would automatically come to your Zendrop, and then your Zendrop will be able to fulfill that order to your customer. So that's basically how it works. Then on your Zendrop dashboard, fulfilled orders, you'll be able to see how many sales you've made, the cost of the sales you've made in the last. You can filter it by how many days ago and all of that stuff, the costs, the profits, the sales. You'll be able to get a detailed report. So basically, whatever you're selling on your Shopify store is going to be fulfilled by Zendrop, and you'll be getting a report on that. So something I'll show you here is now on this product page, if you scroll down, right here is the link to the product page. So let me show you what it looks like before we start editing it with Gempages. Let me show you what this product page looks like. Okay, so we're here on the preview button, on the preview page, and you can see that this is showing quite well. And this is what the product page looks like currently. With the design we have, just a demo sort of design. This is what the product page looks like, right? But what we're going to do now is, this is just a basic design of the product page, but we're going to use Gempages to create something even better. So let's go back to our Shopify store, and then let's download another app. It's called Gempages. So over here, we'll go to apps, and on apps, we just search for Gempages. So under Gempages, let's quickly download this app. So we click on it, we click add app. We'll then need to just scroll down, and then we'll click on install app. So when we click on install app, right? So we go to product page, because we're trying to design a product page. So we'll go to product page. And then once we go to product page, we can create a new template for a product page. So let's just click on create new template. All right. So when we clicked on create new templates, this is what we have. So we're going to click on library. Okay. We're going to click on library. And on library, on Gempages library, we can see different page templates that we can select from. Different page template that we can select from. So let's just go with one. Let's go with this one. So just click on add to page over here. And then we'll just click on no clear them. All right, so now with the template added, this is now what we have, right? So over here, you can see our product. So what we can do is we can select product over here, and here we can select pick a product. So just in case it's not this product we want to build a page around, in case because you might have multiple products on your Shopify store, and it might not be the product Gempages picks randomly that you want to build a product page about. So it might be any of this, might be any of the existing products on your store. So you just pick which one of them it is. But in this case, I'll leave it at this. So now you have a template to work with, and I'm just going to show you a lot of things you can do. Everything is basically customizable here. If you click on any element like this one, for example, you'll be able to change the button text and everything and styles. Anything you click on, you can change multiple things. So for this one, you can change the link, the text, and everything. So any element you click on, you can edit. This countdown button can as well be edited. If you scroll down, you'll see that it has further editing option, the space you can put, and all of that. So there is just a lot that can be done. There's a lot that you can do and change, right? So just everything. So anything you click on will be edited according to your need. You can change the product just in case it's not this product that you want. And if you want to put more product options, if you come here and you just click on product, over here, you can put the form ID, extra class, and all of that stuff. So everything is editable, basically. Everything is editable. For the pictures, you can change all of these things. You can change all of these things. You can put your own photos. You can put your own photos and everything. So you just have to click and select. All right, so look at this stuff here. It's also editable. All these pictures, you can remove this image and put whatever image you want. FAQs, everything is beautifully designed. All right, so let's click somewhere. If you click on an empty space, like a space like this without any elements, right, you will see this. So what this means is that you can drag and drop. Apart from what is already here, you can drag and drop other elements that you want. For example, let me drag and drop this heading. Now there's a heading. Let me undo. This is the redo and this is the undo button. So let me just undo. You can drag and drop an image, right? Let me undo it as well. You can drag and drop an icon. So there is just a lot that you can do, a lot of editing options, sort of kind of limitless. Once you're done editing this and changing basically the content that is the written part of it and the pictures to the way you want it, deleting what you don't want, and making all your editing, you could include elements by yourself. You could delete elements that you don't want. You could edit everything, every aspect of this can be edited. These templates here that were created with Gempages, after editing these templates, if you go ahead and we assign these templates to this product, right? And ordinarily, this is what the product page looks like. So after assigning that template to this product, we'll need to publish it again. So let's publish. Let's publish. So basically it's publishing. All right. So once published right now, all right, once published, what it means is that we've created this templates. We've assigned these templates to this product, right? And we've then published it. So we've created the template, we've assigned it to this product, and then published it. So look at what the product page was like before. But if we go ahead and we refresh it, it's going to change. So now good. You see that the product page has now changed to the template. Now don't worry. I know that of course we did not edit everything. We didn't change the colors and stuff, but definitely you can edit it just the way you want it. But you can see that it has changed, right? So that's simply how to do this. So basically, just a recap of what we've done. We used Zendrop to create a product, to import a product, so that anytime we get an order, it will be fulfilled by Zendrop. Then we use Gempages. Another Gempages, we selected a template, a template from the library, right? And then we selected a template. That's this template. I showed you that everything in this template is editable, so you can go ahead and edit it to your specification. Once edited, what you would then need to do is to assign product, because it's just a template, right? And it has no product assigned to it. So what you're going to do is to come over here and assign that template to a particular product page. And once you've done that, we came over here and then we published. Once published, if we go back, we went back and we refreshed our product page, it was no longer the previous product page we had, but instead it became the new templates that we assigned to the product. I hope this is well understood. I hope you understood this tutorial. All right, take care. If you have any questions or anything at all, just go to our website, bigbossthing.com. Of course, it's a website where you can take free e-commerce courses and tutorials. So just go straight to the website, and there's a forum page where you can ask any questions that you might be having. Just join the forum and ask any questions that you might be having. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Take care and bye-bye.